What is going on, world? Steve Dab with Custom Car Owners. I just attended the Wheels of Manual car show. It was another great event. This is the second annual put on by One Love Charity Inc. So listen, for disclosure, I did not get around to every vehicle the way I wanted to. I took a lot of photos. I've done some aerial photos and videos and a lot of different things. But listen, if I miss your car, I want to apologize. Or if I miss your car, bike, or motorcycle, or Jeep, whatever it is, I do want to apologize. I tried my best to get around. But with no further ado, check out this brief intro and then we'll get right into the footage.